If you have a lot of files that need to be renamed with a specified prefix, you can do it using PowerShell. Why would you want to do this? Let's say you download images from a digital camera. Digital cameras generally use a consecutive numbering systems for file. By adding a prefix to every image file name, you can organize items in a meaningful way and make them easier to find the files on the computer. First step is to open the PowerShell in the folder with the files to be renamed. If you are not familiar with how to open PowerShell within the folder, you can also navigate to the folder using the PowerShell app itself. Remember, you can use aliases even from the command prompt such as the cd alias to navigate to where you needed to be in. Once your PowerShell is in the folder which you have all the files that needed to be renamed with the prefix, you can go ahead and start adding this command, this particular line. So what I'm doing here is get-ChildItem. So basically within the folder, within this files folder, I'm going to get all the items, which are the files right here. And the switch is the file. And we're going to rename those files with a new name. But what we're going to do is we're going to keep the names, but we're going to replace it with a prefix. So this prefix, I'm just going to do Sanuja underscore, and watch what happened in this folder. Remember, the PowerShell is in this folder, this files folder in the desktop. And if I press enter, watch right here. The files are now renamed with Sanuja underscore. Using this simple PowerShell script, I was able to rename every single file within this folder. Whether it's 10, 20 or 1000 files, all can be renamed using this method. I add the prefix Sanuja underscore, but in the future, I'll go over other options available using this type of method. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will reach out to you. Until next time, thank you so much and have a nice day.